with all, it's even hard to find the pussy when you're 18. Ever had that guy when you be searching for the pussy down there? And your dick be sliding down and shit.
What are you doing?
And the girl be going, that's not it.
Walking away for no reason. What are you doing?
Get your free Hassel-Hat Sunday as American Pharoah headlines New Jersey's biggest race.
I don't even know. I'm just going to let you go. You just turned in front of me.
As the citizens of this country, if it turns out somebody else wants to do that same exact service for free,
what are you stopping for?
To.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
And so, but no, the biggest crime in America.
Wow. He pissed him off.
Hey, Mike, what's happening? How are you? Alright, so it's going to be up in Portland with 60 degrees and cool in the morning.
Yeah, you're just being stupid.
They work once a day. They're working only in...
What the hell are you doing? This car's coming the other way. Come on. What are you doing? Are you lost? You really shouldn't have your dog in the... Fuck! Oh, douchebag. That one's barely... Oh, wait. The text around. Never mind. Oh, what the hell? I was right all along. What the hell was that? What? What a douchebag up there. He ain't gonna get that far either. Maybe, what, 3 or 4 cars max? Ah, another douchebag. Oh, he changed his mind. I guess that's partial credit because it's stupid to do that. And up the shoulder! What the hell? All day to merge over.
I'm as entertaining as a fucking STD. You wanna mess with me? I think you're not confident, and I'm weak for a man. I'll just roll up in a ball while you kick me in the back. Yeah, honestly, I probably...
Minute Clinic, our certified nurse practitioners and physician assistants help you monitor your health. We share progress.
You can go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What are you doing? No, come on. Way up there. See if I can get that on camera. What? You are fucking crazy. You should have merged to the right, the lane ends. And you're merging over a little too early.
And he's talking
Too
to her like
early.
she's a model. You know, like she's a...
A signal? Come on.
For free. Value of all prizes and discounts is over $5 million.
M&R Liquors and other wine experts agree that the Pinot Grigio from the
What's that?
flatlands around Venice and Italy are good.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, there's just one left turn, guy. Oh, hey. Oh. What, you're gonna let everyone go? Oh, come on, go already. You got a line of cars behind you. Do I look like a motherfucking role model to a kid looking up to me? Life ain't nothing but bitches and money, and people are... What the fuck? No signal or nothing. It's a left turn only.
Bengal Ring of Honor. Well, listen, I would say that, you know, there's somebody in there first.
Speed up at least.
Your Hall of Fame player. We have one, Anthony. That's the great Anthony Munoz.
Come on, speed up.
4. You have a Rookie of the Year.
Oh my God, look at that white man.
Football games. So they're going to do that, but the quarterback won't do that. And
What?
to me, just when you're willing to like move on, there's coaching staff as compared to this year. You've got 21%. If it's last year's coaching staff, I mean, that 10. You still might have Jim Schwartz. You still might think the defense is going to be very good. But nobody seems to care. Good, honest, hard-working people, white collar, blue collar, doesn't matter what color shirt you have on.
Damn, that was, you were really close to that guy.
These are people.
What are you doing? I have no clue what you're doing anymore. You suck.
Kobe beef, if you're not familiar with that comes from cows that are fed beer and massaged with sake. And I heard that and I was like, I want to be Kobe beef. Where do I sign up for? Those are some happy cows. They have no idea they're on death row.
Planning!
Hasn't the moment is fair, as he must make his way out of his imprisonment by way of an impossible wall climb.
What the fuck is that guy doing?
After attempting the treacherous trek only to fail and fail again, Bruce makes a resolve to face his fears and do the
What the fuck was that? Go! Careful! Turn signal. Sue, that's close. hell. Could you not take up both lanes? Not in front of a guy in the crosswalk. No, 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 no. You lose, sir. Whoa. Wow. Last second move over. Yeah, why do you got what the? Yeah, you picked the wrong lane. Oh, come on. Can we merge any slower?
Across the U.S. It's just not worth it to risk everything you own. Seven fires, theft, vandalism, or accident.
You're barely above 35.
All I'm saying is to understand what you need as a renter. I think it help make you sure you have a...
Hey, move over.
That's relevant, real deal, hustle, feel. And now you hustle them hoes. Good enough to get rolled up a proper jump. I take a
The hell's that up there?
It's like
White
this,
car.
like get what they want. What's that, G? You gotta bring them off something here.
What?
And it's gotta be something. City up.
Come on, move your ass. You wanted to be ahead of me so bad, come on. Of course you wanted to do that. It's illegal. You're gonna cross the solid line up there. What the fuck is that? You realize how big your blind spots are? At least you sped up a little bit, but come on. Oh, you suck. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, jeez, look. A little too close.
Over the line!
Oh my god, are you serious? Stop line's way back there for a reason. I'm having trouble trying to sleep. Wait, I don't want to go here!
For older adults, by providing care that helps them remain independent and in their own homes. Here are some real comments shared by
Come on.
Karen from Glastonbury, right? Keisha has been so wonderful to my mom. We were all so burned out taking care of my dad.
Stops right there. Oh my god. Can you move up? Come on, go. What? There was traffic coming. Yeah, people have no clue. What are you doing?
No huge ass campers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And we're in Connecticut. No campers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. Again, I'm not singing this 8 years later. I'm singing this as we're driving along I-95. This is not a voiceover. Yep, I'm just driving along. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.